Why does the glossopharyngeal nerve cause a gag reflex? Have you ever wondered why you gag when something touches the back of your throat? This response is not just random. It is a protective mechanism that your body uses. The gag reflex helps prevent foreign objects from entering your throat and airway. It is triggered by specific areas in the back of your mouth and throat, like the posterior pharyngeal wall, the back of the tongue, the soft palate, and the area around your tonsils. The glossopharyngeal nerve, which is also known as cranial nerve 9, plays a vital role in this reflex. When something touches the back of your throat, sensory receptors in that area send signals through the glossopharyngeal nerve to your brainstem. More specifically, these signals go to a part of the brain called the solitary nucleus in the medulla oblongata. Once the solitary nucleus processes this sensory input, it communicates with motor neurons in the nucleus ambigus. These motor neurons then activate muscles in the pharynx and soft palate through another cranial nerve, the vagus nerve, which is cranial nerve 10. This coordinated action leads to a rapid contraction of the pharyngeal muscles and the elevation of the soft palate, resulting in the gagging action. The reflex arc consists of two main parts. The first part is the sensory limb, which is mainly handled by the glossopharyngeal nerve. This part detects the stimulus, like a foreign object. The second part is the motor limb, which is managed by the vagus nerve. This limb carries out the muscle contraction response that leads to gagging. The gag reflex is essential for protecting your airway. It helps expel or prevent harmful substances from entering your throat. Interestingly, this reflex is particularly sensitive in infants. This sensitivity protects their immature swallowing mechanisms and usually decreases as their nervous systems mature, allowing them to swallow more solid foods. Anatomically, the glossopharyngeal nerve contains both sensory and motor fibers. Its sensory fibers are responsible for detecting touch and other stimuli in the pharyngeal region. Meanwhile, its motor fibers innervate muscles like the stylopharyngeus, which helps elevate the pharynx during swallowing and gagging. In essence, the glossopharyngeal nerve causes the gag reflex by detecting sensory stimuli at the back of your throat. It sends this information to the brainstem, which triggers a coordinated motor response via the vagus nerve. This response contracts throat muscles, ensuring your airway remains protected. Understanding this process highlights how the nervous system controls swallowing and airway safety.